Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am cooking dinner and I am making pork trotters curry. Let's start cooking. These are my ingredients: chopped onions, chopped garlic, plain flour, all-purpose seasoning, bay leaves, salt, curry powder, white vinegar, oil, small potatoes, pork trotters, watercress, and hot water. I boiled these earlier on. I got rid of the water and I've cleaned it up as much as I can, taking out the extra hair that I could see. So I'm going to boil it one more time. So let me add my hot water. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the white vinegar. Now I will boil this one more time, and the reason why I'm doing that, adding the white vinegar, I want to thoroughly clean out any impurities from the trotters. Okay, so let's boil it for about 5 minutes and then we'll get rid of this water and change the water again. Okay, so I have just emptied out the second lot of water. So first of all I boiled it and then I got rid of the water, washed it and cleaned out the extra bits and pieces, and then I boiled it again the second time, adding 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and then I boiled it for another 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. Now I did that so I can get rid of more impurities using the vinegar. I picked it up somewhere where adding the vinegar will help clean out some of the impurities from the meat. Okay, anyway, that's what I did. So now I've got rid of that water with the vinegar. I'm going to add more for the third time, and then I'll keep cooking it until it's cooked, the meat's cooked through, and for the meat to become tender. As you know that this meat can take a bit longer to cook, so I'm going to add another lot of hot water. As you can see, I've changed the water. So for the third time, I got rid of, remember I boiled it the first time, washed it and got rid of all the impurities, and then I boiled it again the second time, and then I added 3 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. Now the reason why I did that and boil it with the vinegar, it helps to get rid of extra impurities from the trotters, especially the pig's feet. You know the story. This is maybe the dirtiest part of the pig's meat is the feet. However, reading through it, it has a lot of benefits to the body. So I am now adding my spices and flavoring to cook our meat. So I'm adding 2 leaves of bay leaves. I'm also adding about a tablespoon of the all-purpose seasoning. That looks really nice. So we can also go ahead and add some salt now. About a tablespoon of salt to speed up the process of cooking, to tenderize the meat. And we will let this cook, simmer for a good half an hour to 45 minutes, or until the meat is nice and tender. And then we can go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. Smells nice already. Okay, families and friends, our meat is almost ready. It's now time for us to add our potatoes. So it's up to you if you want to peel the skin off your potatoes off. I'm not. I like it with the skin on. Okay, so the next step is I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to my frying pan. Probably a couple of tablespoons. Okay, we'll saute the onions. We'll then add our garlic. Go ahead and add our curry powder and a little bit of our flour. Okay, we will go ahead and add that to our meat and just slowly stir it into the meat and soup and potatoes, and that will help thicken our curry. So I did that process so we can cook the flour, make sure it doesn't have that floury taste. Or you can just mix it with water and add it straight to. It's totally up to you. So this will boil and it will thicken our gravy along with the potatoes that we've added earlier on. So in a few more minutes, we should be ready to add our final ingredients, which is our watercress, and we will go ahead and serve our dinner. Okay, I'm adding my watercress now. Adding more salt, and we will turn it off now. That is it. Dinner's ready. Let's serve and enjoy. I'll taste it one more time and see if I need to add any more seasoning. Perfect. I will add a touch of white pepper. And that is it. We are ready to serve our dinner. All right, thank you for cooking with me, families and friends. Our meal is ready now, and I am going to taste our food. Have some of that potato and watercress. Yum. Apparently this is good for you. I read through it, or I read into it. It's supposed to be good for the skin. Don't take my word for it, but it's something I picked it up from my research of the trotters, and it's one of our favorite food for the Polynesians. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. It is free and it will help me to put more videos on. And if you like any of the recipes I share with you, please click the like button as well. Take care, everyone. I will see you next time. Bye for now.